Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to study about the divisibility test. Many a time when you see so many big numbers and you get surprised whether these numbers are divisible by the given number or not. So by just looking at a number you can tell, yes, is it divisible or not. So let's see how you can do it, how this magic works. So for this magic to work, we have certain rules that we have to follow, and the rules are, for the different numbers we have the different rules. The first rule goes for the divisibility by 2, and what the rule is, a number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place are 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Let's take an example. I've taken the first example as 234. I took the first example as 234. Now you have to look at the ones place of this number. This number, the digit at ones place is 4. This falls in this criteria? Yes. So this number is divisible by 2. Here we have placed it. Now you can see that this number, another number is 76543. Here the digit at one's place is 3. You can easily see here the digit at one's place is 3. So this number is not divisible by 2 because 3 doesn't fit in this criteria, because the digit at one's place should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. And here the number is 3. Therefore this number 76543, it is not divisible by 2. Let's move to the next one now. So you can, just looking at the number, you can, by just looking at a number you can easily tell whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So similarly we have another rule for the divisibility by 3. And what does this rule says? It says that for a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of all the digits of the number should be a multiple of 3. That is, after adding, if you add all the digits of a number, the whatever sums comes out to be, that should be a multiple of 3. Let's check it out. The first number that we have is 219. If I'll add all the digits, that is, the digits are 2, 1 and 9. If I'll add all the 3 digits, the sum comes out to be 12. And you know that 3 4s are 12, that is 12 is a multiple of 3. Therefore this number is divisible by 3. Let's see another example wherein we have 4, 3, 2, 8. Now what is the sum of all the digits of this number? It is 17. Does 17 comes in the table of 3? No, it doesn't comes in the table of 3. Therefore this number is not divisible by 3. So now let's move on to the next number, the divisibility by 4. If a bigger number is given to you and you have to, just by looking at that number, you have to tell whether it is divisible by 4 or not, you can also do it. There is a rule, and the rule says a 3 or more digit number. For a number to be divisible by 3, the first thing is that for this divisibility rule, this divisibility test, we should require a number with 3 digits or more than 3 digits. Okay. So a number 3 or more digit number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So let me explain it with the example. Like you have a number 4116. So if I'll place them, what are the last 2 digits? The last 2 digits should be the digit at ones place and the digit at tens place, and by just looking at these 2 digits you can see it forms a number. The number is 16. Now does 16 is completely divisible by 4? Can you divide 16 by 4? The answer is yes, we can divide 16 by 4. Therefore the number 4116 is divisible by 4. Let's see another example. The number here is 6753. Does this number divisible by this number goes by 4? Is it divisible by 4? Let's see. The last 2 digits form the number. The last 2 digits, if you look at this number 6753, the last two digits, they form a number 53. And does the 53 comes in the table of 4? Can we divide 53 by 4? The answer is no, we cannot divide 53 by 4. Therefore, the number 6753 is not divisible by 4. You need not require to do the long division. You can easily, by just looking at a number, you can tell whether it is divisible or not by the given numbers. Okay, here we have another number, the divisibility by 5, the divisibility test by 5. So what does it say? It says that a number has a number that has either 0 or 5 at its ones place is divisible by 5. This is quite an easy one. So let's check it out with an example. Here I have an example of the number 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, the digit at ones place is 5. Yeah. Therefore this number is divisible by 5. Now if you divide this number by 5, you can see the answer comes out to be 469. And there is no remainder left. Therefore, from both the ways you can get that this number is divisible by 5. Now look at this number 3456. Is it divisible by 5? To check the divisibility, we have to check the digit at ones place. Here the digit at ones place is 6. Is it no? It doesn't fall in the criteria of 0 and 5. This is 6 other than 0 and 5. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 5. Yeah. So you can easily see here by just quickly looking at the numbers, you can tell whether the number is divisible by 5 or not. We'll come up with more videos and more divisibility rules. Then continue watching the channel and the video. Thank you and have a nice day.